Random tech arrives at Project Reboot. This week we've had this just come in. This one. PC Specialist. Custom build. Ooh, let's have a look at this. Oh, a lot of dust in it. Let's have a look. A lot of dust. See what we got here. Oh. 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 That looks like a custom tower cooler. Oh, I could have used that, couldn't I? In my recent 250 gamer. Oh, graphic. Oh, blimey. What's that then? I'll have a look at that. I'll tell you what, the first thing I'm going to do with this lot, give it a damn good blast. Cool. That took a lot of blasting to get all that dust out there. That was probably 10 years worth of dust in there. Right, so now it's dust free, relatively. We can have a bit more of a look inside now. Right. Oh, that's looking better, isn't it? We got a pallet something. So we've got. What does it say what it is? It's an Asus P7H57D-V Evo. Do you know what? I'm going to fire this up. Stick a mint drive in it. See what happens. Alright. Got the BIOS screen. Let's have a look, see what we've got. What am I looking at, Nige? What am I looking at? Oh, here we go. System configuration. System information. What is it? It's an i5 660. Build date 2010. Well, there we are. It's 8.5 years old. That's right. 8.5 years old. Storage. Okay, let's set that to AHCI for the purpose of Windows 10. Get that running. Don't need that. Hey? Well, I'm looking at ARC. The i5 660 is from 2010. It's 2 cores, 4 threads. So it's an early i5. I guess before they built 4 cores on it. It's running at 3.3. It's quite fast, isn't it? Well, the temps seem alright. It is hot in here because it's absolutely scorched you out. We're in the peak of summer in the UK. Never got up into the well, we're up into the late 20s. It was 31 yesterday. Right, anyway, Q fan is set to disabled. That's weird. Why would it be doing... I'd set that to enabled, I think. Put that down to silent. Anyway, we'll boot into Windows, and that's quietened down a bit, isn't it? That's better. Right, yeah, that's quieter now. It's got the fans running on silent. That's brought it down nicely now. I'm back in Mint, Linux Mint, because it fired up and the Windows one didn't. I think my Windows test drivers got corrupted somehow. Anyway, let's do a system profile and benchmarker, and our usual favourite, blowfish. What is it going to be? 3.87. The graphics card is a GT240. Let's have a look on Tom's hardware list. GT240, there it is. Tier 21. Long way to go, isn't it? I think that's had the best of it. I tell you what, that fan has got quite a lot of whine to it. That would get on my nerves a bit. So, in its day, back in 2010, this would have been a good system with the i5 660 in there. Similar to the one that I had, which I had an i5 750 in. So, and of its day, it was kind of right up the front of the queue. Clearly, it's showing its age now, but do you know what? I'm not sure what we're going to do with this. I might salvage that cooler, because it looks to me as though it's generic. It's a generic cooler in there, and it might fit on an LGA 115X. What else are we going to do? The card, the 1 gig card. Not sure about that either, really. But anyway, so this is a bit of a short video today, just about another bit of kit that I've had in the workshop today, only about an hour ago. Right, following on from the PC Specialist video that you're watching right now, I've taken the big cooler out of that, and it's now gone in here. Now, if you're watching the video that we did on the 250 Fortnite Gamer last week, you'll notice that we were talking about the i7. So I've actually put the i7 under there now, which was an i7 4770. So we've got a decent cooler, and that was the problem before. I didn't have a decent cooler to put that i7 on. So here it is here in a monster gaming tower. We stuck a nice 650 watt Corsair power supply in there. We've got 8 gigs of DDR3 in there, so this is going to become another gamer. The only problem with this is we do not have a graphics card, and I think that little graphics card that we had out of the PC Specialist, here Bernie, thank you, clearly is not good enough, because this has got 1 gig of DDR3 on this, was it? I think it was 1 gig of DDR3.
Come back as a tree trunk on Userbenchmark.
Oh, terrible. So that won't be any good in there. So we're just clearly looking for a graphics card now. So, hope you've enjoyed having a poke around in this once very dusty machine, now looking quite clean. I think I might even use the case. The case is alright, aging a bit, but the case is okay. That's it for another day. Got some other stuff coming up, so please stay tuned. If you're already subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you very much, and please subscribe if you haven't already. So thumbs up if you'd like this. Put some comments in the post. See you next time.